It's like the Wings Club meets the School for Good and Evil. I just realized that I never told you about my book. So here we go. It's about an orphan boy who finds out that he's a changeling on his 13th birthday and is whisked away into a magical school for fairy guardians. Now he's on a mission to find an artifact that will destroy the very beings that caused him to be abandoned in the human realm in the first place. While on campus, a mysterious illness is going around where students are dropping like flies, caused by a being only he can see. So while trying to find this artifact and capture this mysterious invisible being, he realizes that these two are interconnected in a way that makes him realize that he made a huge mistake. Although this is book one in a series, it can be a standalone. Book one is about being accepted into the magical school for fairy guardians. Fairy guardians that we've seen in many fairy tales, things Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, Beauty and the Beast, Pinocchio, Bluebird, the Green Monkey, so on and so forth. Your first year is about honing in on your powers, controlling and mastering the basics. If you are able to progress, you'll be rewarded with your own wand. If not, you'll be kicked out and your magic will be sealed forever. The world presents itself as very light, very fairy tale-esque. Think sparkles, castles, wings, fairy dust. But underneath all that glitter is a very gritty, very corrupt, very deceitful world. The original version of this story was supposed to take place outside of the school because I wanted us to look at the behind the scenes of the fairy tale or fairy godmother industry before we get into the school. But I realized that may not be as marketable as I wanted, so I have pivoted to starting the book from book two. Hence, I am joining the mysteries of book one and book two together. So I would like to clarify that my main inspiration for this book is the School for Good and Evil. Just that in this case, instead of fairy tale characters, we're looking at fairy godmothers or fairy guardians. Looking at all these stories with fairy godmothers, no one asks, where do these fairies come from? Why do they help? What do they gain from helping? Which led us to Kieran Crobb and the Codex of Lindor. If this is something you're interested in, please follow because I'm almost done redrafting the book.